Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are going to start exercise 4.3. Here we are going to learn find the roots of quadratic equation by another method, that is by completing the square method. You will see this question is here. Question number B, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. In previous video of this chapter, you learnt how to find the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. So, another method of finding the roots of quadratic equation. The equation is here 1 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. We will see first the first term of this quadratic equation. We will find that this is not perfect square, it is 2x square, 2 is not a perfect square number. Then minus 7x plus 3, surely quadratic equation form it has. Now, the thing is that how to complete the squares and find the roots. So, we will start by thinking.
Good afternoon everyone.
So, as we see here, this 2 is non perfect square number. So, what we should do with this term, so that this 2 will be removed? It is very simple. If we divide the term by 2, 2 ones are 2. So, x square will become perfect square. So, let us do that. We starting the solution. How? Looking at this 2, seeing this 2 only, this idea came to us. 2 is a non perfect square number. So, we will divide 2 by 2. But thing is that we cannot do that work only in one term, we have to do in equation in both sides the same work. So, we will write here dividing both sides by 2, dividing both sides by 2. So, what happens then? 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Actually, we do not write also 0 by 2, okay, but here I am writing so that you know it well. So, 2 ones are 2. We find this x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. The first term has become perfect square. Now, let us remind this 2, there will be 2 identity, very common identity, you have been using it, that are a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and one more is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, we will see the first term is now perfect square, the second next sign is minus. So, we will use a minus b whole square, that identity. So, how we will arrange? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, x square minus 2 comes in identity, remember. A, what is a? X, a square is x square. So, a is x into b. Now, once again we need to think what shall we multiply with 2x, so that we will get 7 by 2x. So, very simple, you take help in rough side. 2x is here, x you let it be, x is there already. So, what shall we multiply with 2 to get 7 by 2? Little bit we need to think. So, we do not know what we will multiply. If this 2 comes in RHS, whatever term, maybe here suppose a we will multiply or anything we multiply. So, a will be equal to what? 7 by 2, and this 2 also will come in denominator. That means, actually this is b place, this b place. So, suppose 2 into b, what shall we multiply with 2 to get 7 by 2? So, 2 into b is equal to 7 by 2, 2 comes here, that means b is 7 by 4. And now, you look at 2 ones are 2 2s are, it is 7 by 2 x. So, what is b? 7 by 4, and last term of the identity is b square, that means 7 by 4 square. Now, what is here? Plus 3 by 2. In this step, this 7 by 4 we have added extra. So, what shall we do? Once we will subtract also 7 by 4 square, and then this is equal to 0. Look at now, x square minus 2 x into 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 square, it has become a square minus 2 a b plus b square. So, this part give us a minus b whole square, and another 2 3 by 2 minus 7 by 4 square. I hope you have understood why we are subtracting this minus 7 by 4 square here, because this extra is added. So, we cannot simply add to make it balance, that means as if we have not done anything here, but the method is complete the square. So, in order to complete the square we need to do this work, and then let us continue. We get now we get here a minus b, b is what, 7 by 4 square. So, the first part has become perfect square. Now, here is plus 3 by 2 minus 7 square will be 49 by 4 equal to, not 4, 4 4s are 16, is equal to 0. So, we need to simplify this. So, x minus 7 whole square plus 16 to LCM 16, 2 8s are 3 8s are 16 1s are 49 1s are equal to 0. We get 7 minus x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus minus 25 by 16 equal to 0. This 25 by 16 here, this is plus minus minus. So, x minus 7 by 4 square is plus minus minus, 25 is perfect square of 5, 16, 4 whole square is equal to 0. Now, look at this step what we get. Once again a square minus b square, this identity is also very common, a plus b into a minus b, that means x minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 a plus b, this is x minus 7 by 4 a plus b into a minus b, x minus 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Now, we can separate them in order to get the roots of quadratic equation. Therefore, x minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So, what will happen to this? X will be equal to 7 by 4 will go in RHS, it is becoming plus, and 5 by 4 will go in RHS become minus. So, we need to get LCM 4, 7 1s are 4 1s are 4, 7 1s are 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are. So, we get 2 by 4, that is 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, first root is 1 by 2, and the second one is what? X minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, x minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, that is also equal to 0. So, here also we need x, number we take in RHS, it will be 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, 4 4 we get LCM, 4 1s are 7 1s are 7 plus 4 1s are 5 1s are 5. So, 12 by 4, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So, the two roots of quadratic equation we found 1 by 2 and 3. So, completing the square method is also easy, only in two places we need to think properly. First is that how to make the perfect square to the first term, if it is non-perfect square, what to do so that it will become perfect square. So, here we divided by 2. Next, when we reach after getting first term in a square form, we will think which identity can be used. Starting I was explaining to you this part, so we should multiply, which identity we will use, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, and then we need to get this b. Getting b is very important, and hereafter we go for simplification and we find the roots. Let us go in some other questions also, you will understand surely very clearly.